Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit resume template on Canva. So first head over to canva.com and in the search bar, start searching for resume. Then just press enter. Here you can see various pre-made designs that you can choose and edit. All you have to do is click on your desired design, then proceed by customizing the template. So click on customize this template. So from here, you can basically edit information and details in this resume template. You can change the name, just double click on the text element and change it to your name. You can also change position, skills, educational background, and more details about you. Then once done, you can head over and download this file. Just click on the share button, click on the download button, and choose your desired file type. Then click on the download button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!